Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly while others struggle year after year? It's not magic, and it's not just luck. There are specific, repeatable actions that set them apart. Today, I'm sharing 10 habits that financially successful people practice every single day, and the best part is, you can start applying them right now. First up, habit number 1. Set clear financial goals. Successful people don't just hope for wealth. They plan for it. They know exactly what they want to achieve, both in the short term and the long term. I personally write down my financial goals every single month. It might be saving for a down payment, hitting an investment target, or paying off a specific debt. This simple act keeps me focused and holds me accountable. What's your top financial goal right now? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to hear what you're working towards. Next, we have habit number 2. Track every single dollar. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't tell it where to go. Knowing your cash flow is absolutely essential. It's like trying to navigate without a map. I track my spending on a weekly basis. I review everything, see where my money went, and adjust my budget as needed. Honestly, this was a total game changer for me when I started getting serious about growing my wealth. This brings us to habit number 3. Invest regularly. You don't need a huge lump sum to start. The key is consistency. Even small, regular investments can grow into a fortune over time, thanks to the power of compounding. When I first started, I was putting away just $50 a month. It didn't feel like much, but watching that account grow over the years has been incredible. The compounding effect truly is the 8th wonder of the world. What's your favorite investment strategy? Share it in the comments. Let's talk about a common trap with habit number 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is a big one. As your income grows, it's so tempting to upgrade your car, your apartment, and your spending habits. But financially successful people resist this urge. They understand that a bigger paycheck is an opportunity to build wealth, not just to spend more. I've seen friends get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle, only to find themselves trapped in the same cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, just with more expensive stuff. Now for a habit that supercharges all the others. Habit number 5. Keep learning about money. Financial knowledge compounds, just like money does. The more you learn, the smarter the decisions you can make. I make it a priority to read books on finance, follow market news, and even take online courses to sharpen my skills. For me, learning about money isn't just a practical chore, it's incredibly empowering. Every new concept I grasp gives me more confidence to take control of my financial future and make better decisions every single day. Alright? Habit number 6 is a game changer for security. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky in today's world. What if you lose your job? Successful people diversify their earnings. I run a small side hustle alongside my main job, and that extra income provides a powerful safety net. It gives me not just financial security, but also the freedom to pursue opportunities without being completely dependent on one paycheck. What side hustle would you start if you could? Drop your ideas below. Moving on to habit number 7. Surround yourself with success. The people you spend the most time with have a huge influence on your mindset, your habits, and your aspirations. It's often said that you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with most. I make a conscious effort to connect with and learn from mentors and peers who inspire me, who are ahead of me on their financial journey, and who push me to think bigger. Next, habit number 8, and this one is crucial. Practice discipline and patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It doesn't happen overnight. There will be times when progress feels slow, or when the market is down, and it's tempting to get discouraged or make impulsive decisions. I stick to my financial plan with discipline, even when the results aren't immediate. That consistency and patience always pay off in the long run. Which leads us to habit number 9. Protect your wealth. It's not just about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Building wealth is one thing, but protecting it is just as important. This means having the right insurance, building a solid emergency fund, and managing risk intelligently. I keep a safety net for those unexpected life events, a car repair, a medical bill. That fund gives me incredible peace of mind and financial stability, knowing I'm prepared for it. And finally, habit number 10. Give back and share knowledge. Truly successful people understand that wealth isn't just for accumulating it, as a tool for creating a positive impact. They don't hoard their knowledge. They empower others. I make time to mentor friends who are just starting their financial journeys, and I love sharing what I've learned. It feels amazing to help others succeed and see them have their own aha moments. Which of these 10 habits will you start practicing today? Comment below. I'd love to hear your plan. Start applying these habits today, one step at a time. And over time you'll see real, tangible changes in your finances and, just as importantly, in your mindset. Financial success is a journey, and it all starts with these small, consistent actions. Your journey to wealth starts now. If you want more practical tips to master your money and build a life of financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to Cash Compass 360 and hit that notification bell. Your financial freedom starts right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.